How to remove account from Messenger. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can remove account from Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to remove account from Messenger, most likely what happens over here is that if you open up the Messenger application over here, you should be able to not see the logout option because Messenger does not have a logout button. The Messenger logs in itself as long as your Facebook account is logged in. So one thing that you can actually do is you can go ahead and then just try to log out of your Facebook account first and then just clear the data or uninstall Messenger. When you reinstall Messenger, you won't be logged in. Or you can do this manually using the Facebook app by simply removing the devices from the login list. Tap the three lines option, tap the gear icon over here, and after you have done that, simply go to the Meta Account Center button, and once you have done that over there, you'll find this option over here known as password and security. Go to password and security and then just go to the option called where you're logged in. Select your Facebook account. Here you will see a list of devices currently logged in. So depending upon whether or not your Facebook Messenger is also connected, you should be able to see them, and then you should be able to simply go ahead and remove these devices. This way you can remove account on Messenger. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.